Alright guys, I'm working on something else here. I told you 92 Ford Ranger truck and 2.3 liter engine, standard transmission. The problem is that the door is staying ajar. It will not, the driver's door will not close. Now the reason being, I took the door panel off and I find that this is the cable to the door here. There's the interior. Pull it, and this actuates the other end to undo the latch. This is staying tight. You see here, it's being stuck on the pull position. Now I did start spraying some WD-40 inside of here, and hopefully we can fix this issue with no parts required. Now, if you cannot hear me, I apologize. I have my torpedo going back there. It's a bit frigid. I don't know, it's about 4 degrees outside with the wind chill, maybe less now since the sun's gone down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this little Phillips screw here, and I'm just going to play with the cable inside of this and hopefully lubricate the wire enough that it's going to work, not bind. Alright. So this just slides out. Just like a throttle cable on the older vehicles or bicycle brakes. Alright, this guy's got plenty of grease, so I'm not worried about this end, and I'm fighting the spring that's on here. Alright, let's see. I want to see if I can bend this straight. Got a kink in it right now, just from wear and tear. Oh, there's a wheel there. Alright. I did start on this end. And, just trying to have it run down this cable into the plastic. From the other end to the other end. Yeah, run out. That's already a huge improvement. This is what I came up to do today, was work on this door. We had a spontaneous snowstorm and zero visibility out there. There we go. It's coming out this end. You can see the wetness. place to bring it in right now, and this truck is sitting here in the bay. No alternative but to work outside, and I'm not complaining. I don't mind it. It's not a big deal. I'm not living out there. Okay. I'll just do a little bit more, and I'll be okay with this. I'm very happy. I mean, it wasn't moving at all. Alright. So now, go ahead and reattach this guy. Out there, but it's freezing up on my equipment, and there are wind gusts 40, 50 miles an hour. So you just have to take my word for it. Alright. It's all together. Okay, I'm out here with the 92 Ford Ranger. I did the cable link on. It's pretty poor condition here, and it's in the middle of the night. I just want to get some footage of what exactly I did on the door. So, here's the door itself, driver's door. Okay, the problem was the latch was stuck out like this, so it wouldn't allow this mechanism here to close and capture. It actually closes one and the other. two-piece on that striker. Okay. To remove the door panel, there was one screw in here, and this whole plastic piece comes off. If I take this back, there's a Torx bit in here. I think it's a T27, and that just slides right off. It's got the what is it, serrated, and then I had two Phillips bolts here, 1 and 2, and I got this door panel off. In fact, it was easier to take it off if I pushed the lock down. Okay, I don't want him being locked out. He usually keeps the keys in here. I think that was it. And in fact, it was so cold that day. A couple of the little Christmas trees, they broke off. So I have a couple in there. Can you turn the light in there, please? Oh, I got my headlight. There's a couple in there. Now, when I removed the cable, there was one other Phillips screw in here on the top, and then the mechanism slid out. And then I had three, I would say, size 3 Phillips, and I was able to get them off. And then this whole piece came, for the most part. This little piece here, it is a hold down plate for the lock cylinder on the door. It slides and it catches like a brake hose type fitting, and that's what this is for. And that was the other thing I had to do, just so that I had most of the rods intact. The only part that was a cable was this part to this mechanism on the door. I'm trying to back this up. So from here to there, the only cable that was in there. All the rest were rod actuated mechanisms. And hopefully this little clip here will help with the rest of that video, which I'll put together. And I guess that's it, right? And now it closes. Like I said, it won't even catch. It's like having the handle constantly lifted. It won't close. And this is a stick shift. Very hard to drive for an old guy. And have to hold the door at the same time. Okay, we're done here. If you want, you can close the hood. I want to put the zip ties. Thanks for watching, guys.